In this video, I'll show you how to switch account on Chrome quickly and easily. Whether you use Chrome for work, school, or personal browsing, switching profiles lets you keep your bookmarks, passwords, extensions, and browsing history separated. It's a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time and help keep everything organized. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome opens, take a look at the top right corner of the browser window. You should see your profile icon there. This icon may show your name, initials, or a small profile picture, depending on how your account is set up. Now click the profile icon. When you do that, Chrome will show you the account or profile you're currently using. If you have more than one Chrome profile set up, you'll also see the other available profiles listed below. This is where Chrome makes it easy to jump between accounts without having to sign out and sign back in every time. Under Other Chrome Profiles, click the account you want to switch to. Chrome will instantly open that profile in a new browser window. That means your bookmarks, saved passwords, extensions, and browsing data for that specific account will load right away. So if you're switching from a personal profile to a work profile, or from one Google account to another, everything stays separate and easy to manage. If the account you want doesn't appear right away, you may need to add it first. In that case, you can create a new Chrome profile or sign into the Google account you want to use. But if it's already there, the switch only takes one click. That's the fastest way to change accounts in Chrome without losing your place. A helpful tip is to name your Chrome profiles clearly, so you always know which one is which. For example, you could label one work, one personal, and one school. That makes it much easier to pick the right one when multiple profiles are listed. You can also choose different profile icons or colors to tell them apart at a glance. So just to recap, open Chrome, click the profile icon in the top right corner, then select the other Chrome profile you want to use. Chrome will open that account immediately and you're ready to browse with the right profile. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.